what they do is they bring all kind of distraction. Forget that house of you know. And waiting I know. I don't know anything now. Waiting I know. So by tomorrow morning, we go forget that house of we go forget about that because another wahala will come again. And what they do is they bring all kind of distraction. You know, instead of Nigerians to be saying that let us divide the country so that we don't even need to be looking for visa among ourselves. We will have relationship that we can still travel to the north without a visa. You can still travel to Yoruba land without a visa. The only thing is that we will have a border that demarcates us. But people don't like the border. You talk about border. No. I don't marry Igbo. I don't marry Hausa. I don't marry Ishekiri. I don't marry Delta. You know, instead of us to have borders so that we go know who is who. But they don't like that. So what thing I go talk? So you just look at the whole thing, you just sometimes say, Nigerians are funny people. Funny people. And they put some skit. They use that one to distract us. As soon as they put Nyash and Boo Boo in front of the music, everybody forget their sorrows. And they smoke weed. They smoke shisha. Why they say she no? And about the basun to bad lóyún. Problem with you. I'm not pushing my wa and to my told you. Do you know how many diaspora are looking after children that we don't even know how they produce them? Whether you moto loti basifuni amo, we already bedini, we all know uruni. We don't know. Somebody now will call you, say, my wife needs to go to maternity leave. Can you send money? But the same person tell am say, make we break Nigeria. Just shut up. Mukia Bishop Adeshina, only shut up. Why do you want to break up? But he cannot look after the same wife where he give belle. So you can imagine the kind of trouble that people like us have to now start breaking it down to piece by piece. Say shut up. Person wey no fit feed in family, they tell you say shut up. Why do you want to break Nigeria? Funny people. That's why they are oppressed all the time. If not, one person go say, I go disappear you. Tomorrow, they go disappear the person. Do you know how many IPOP, people that are asking for Biafra, that they've disappeared? How many Nigerians shout out, one bastard, the Yodoshi? Idiot, all over the place. How many Biafrans that they disappear? Nobody know where they are today. They just disappear them. Some of them, Daddy Yati now, you know how long Daddy Yati have been disappearing? Is that so that Daddy Yati don't disappear? It's been like almost 3 years now. Daddy Yati daughter that was 2 years old is probably become 4 years old. No, Papa don't disappear. So the word disappear is not a new thing. So why are you all like, have you seen that news? Disappear. You too, you go disappear very soon. You when you dey watch me, you go soon disappear. Because I can't show the video. Go on my Twitter. Spaghetti. I don't know whether na spaghetti. I thought what you can say, okay, all my piece no me, all my say. One spaghetti, they go from Kaduna, the trailer don't fall. You go think say people normal for that country. They're not normal. You know, yesterday, I was telling you that in Ijebu, my own state, in Ogun State, I was saying it yesterday on the broadcast, that people put amala, rice, eba, moi moi, ikokore, they put everything together. And I wonder how they are going to eat that. I didn't realize that today, I go see another video